white man. Daniel.
Is a journey into sound.
Back at it again with another video. What's up, guys? It is Daniel. Back at it again with another video. It is hot out. It's gonna be the last day, so might as well enjoy it. It's winter. I don't know how many more days until spring, but we're gonna do some bottle flips today. I've been planning to do some Let's Plays, but you know, it's nice. Might as well go outside and do some bottle flipping. Oh, come on. Alright, we're gonna do this again. But this Sophie, what are you doing? What are you doing? I have Sophie out here with me. We're gonna move Sophie. Okay, so guys, we're gonna keep doing bottle flips outside today.
It's DJ Pack, you know.
Because it's nice out, I'm gonna do a vlog and part of this video. I am sorry if I'm running the camera. Because we are doing bottle flip, it is nice out, and I got my water here. We're about to bottle flip. All right, let's go. Come on. Oh, we almost made it. Alright guys, so what are we gonna do here is and if I don't make it, might as well make this a Let's Play. But it's not a Let's Play. But it's not a Let's Play. But also guys, if you guys like this, murder that like button. I would greatly appreciate it if you guys murder that like button. That's what I'm gonna say now. Murder that like button. If you want to see more vlogs and more videos, let me know in the comment section below. Let me know in the comment section, and I'm about and for the summer, I'm thinking we should do summertime vlogs. Remember that countdown vlog thing that I did? Yeah, we're gonna do that again this year. In 2017, yeah, this year we're gonna do it. And I just came back from school, guys, and it's Wednesday. I'm surprised because we have 2 days off, and I don't have any homework, so that's why I'm doing this for the sake of the video, and because I'm just sitting here relaxing, and yeah, that's all I'm doing, even with my water bottle for some reason. I don't know. I just like playing with it. You know, it's just, I am the one that never respect up on. Sorry guys. And yeah, I just like playing with water bottles. I don't know. That's that bottle flip trend. It's gotten to me. But guys, I love this vlog so far. I'm enjoying nature. I usually stay inside, but now I'm outside in my backyard and I'm sitting here. Just a good day, you know? Make it rain with with grass, make it a little ring with fresh grass, you know? Yeah, that's what I mean, guys. Yeah, so, I have nothing to say now, but, guys, but yeah, so far, I'm in loving nature. Tomorrow, I don't know what to do, but this vlog today, we're just gonna hold on, let me get on this. We're just gonna, oh gosh, we're just gonna enjoy nature. We're just gonna enjoy Mother Nature, you know? But, hold on guys, 1 second, I'm gonna wash my hands outside. So yeah, guys, I'm just chilling out here, and thank you guys for watching this vlog, and thank you guys for enjoying nature with me, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay savage, my brother.
Damn, Daniel.